You can create a design like this, or a custom traffic jam with duplicating cars, or create a train easily using this Canva app. It's called replicator, and here's how to use it so you can achieve what I did here. First, a useful tip. Always customize the design to display how you want it exactly, because once added to the design, you cannot customize it. You have to delete that one before adding any further customizations. Now here are my exact steps to recreate this, so you too can do it along with me. First, I uploaded the image that I wanted to replicate, and then made it the way I wanted it to look by removing background or anything that you want to customize. So I removed the background, resized it to my liking. Then I opened the replicator app, clicked on this image, and adjusted the controls they provide to achieve this result. And here's the adjustments I made so you can get this train zoom out perspective effect. You can obviously play with different options here, and in my case I chose linear and then took 12 as the count of my image to get cloned, and then I left the slope and rotation to 0, adjusted the design's size and space ratio. And I also think the skewing won't work if you have rotation parameter increased to more than 0. Anywho, I left this once to 0, and once done, I achieved with this one here. You can also do that like a bird flying on sky, or duplicate anything, or resize any objects faster this way. And you know that these are all grouped together, right? So because if you click on this, you can just simply ungroup, and then these are all individual images. You can move around each of these images and place wherever you want.